Students, let us discuss now nature of roots of the quadratic equation. What are the types? What will be the roots? So nature of roots all depends on the discriminant. What is discriminant? In quadratic formula we have seen b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So based on discriminant, if the value of b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Okay, distinct, दो अलग अलग रूट्स मिलेंगे x की, x या वेरिएबल जो होगा इक्वेशन में उसके दो अलग अलग वैल्यू मिलेगी. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and repeated. Same value, अगर x 5 आया तो दूसरा वैल्यू भी 5 होगा. Repeated roots, equal, roots are equal. You can also use the word repeated. Third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative, then there are no real roots. Roots does not exist. This is the nature of roots of this of quadratic equation. Based on this, we will see now exercise 4.4. First one, find the nature of roots of the following equations. If the real roots exist, find them. Okay, let us see first one. Okay, so here solution for the first, you can write here a, on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. A is 2, b is minus 3 and c is 5. So now you find out the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 3 square minus 4ac. So 4 into 2 into 5. So minus 3 square is 9. 4 2s are 8, 5s are 40. 9 minus 40, that is minus 31. So therefore b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So see, in question they have written equations, they have not used the word quadratic. Okay, so nature of roots of the following equations. Okay, so here what we will write? B square minus 4ac is less than 0. So there are no real roots of the given equation. Okay, there are no real roots of the given equation. Hope you have understood this. Then we will see second. You can copy down this. Okay. Let us see now second. So second one, here what you can say, a is 3, b is minus 4 root 3 and value of c is plus 4. So therefore b square minus 4ac, so minus 4 into root 3 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 4. So square of minus 4 is plus 16, root 3 square is 3 and 4 3s are 12, 4s are 48. So it is 48 minus 48, so that is 0. So therefore b square minus 4ac is 0. So how are the roots? So the given equation has real and equal roots. So the given equation has real and equal roots. Okay. Now, how to find the remaining part? Then, by using quadratic formula, we have to use here quadratic formula. Now, by using quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So value of b is minus, so minus into bracket minus 4 root 3 plus or minus value of b square minus 4ac is 0 whole upon 2 into a. So a is 3. Okay, so minus into minus, that is 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3. So that is 2 2s are, so 2 root 3 upon 3. So this is the root. So this is, so how are the roots? The roots are equal. So another value is also same. So answer you can write. Okay. Answer. Roots are 2 root 3 upon 3 and same 2 root 3 upon 3. Okay. Hope you have understood this example. You can note down this. Let us see now third example. Here, what is A? A is 2, B is minus 6 and C is 3. So therefore, B square minus 4AC. So minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So 6 minus 6 square is 36. 4 2s are 8. 8 these are 24. Okay. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2. So it is greater than 0. Okay. So therefore b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So the given equation has two real and distinct roots. Okay. The given equation has two real and distinct roots. Okay, distinct roots. Now let us how to calculate, again using quadratic formula only. Okay, now by using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus b under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So b, what is value of b? B is minus 6. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus value of b square minus 4ac is 12 and whole upon 2a, value of a is 2. Okay, so minus into minus is 6 plus or minus. Now square root of 12. What is square root of 12? Well, you can write as 4 into 3. So square root of 4 is 2 root 3. Square root of 4 is 2 and root 3 will remain as it is. Now, what many students are doing mistake here. Okay. What they do? They cancel this. 2 3s are 6. That is wrong. You cannot cancel 2 3s are, or you cannot cancel 2 2s are. This is the wrong way. You take out common from them and then you can cancel out. Okay, so here, now here what is common here? So you can say 2 is common. So inside what you will have 2 3s are 6 plus or minus root 3 whole upon 2 into 2. So 2 cancels. Okay, so what are the roots? 3 plus root 3 upon 2, 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Okay, so I will write down here. So roots are 3 plus root 3 upon 2, एक बार प्लस लेना है, दूसरे बार माइनस लेना है, एंड 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Hope you have understood this. Okay, now we will see word problems based on nature of roots. Okay, let us see. Let us see now question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. See the condition. They have two equal roots. So what is the condition to have equal roots? We should have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So there are two sub questions. One for you, I have left for you to practice. Only one I will be solving. First one, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so you can write here a is 2, b is k and c is 3. To have equal roots, what is the condition we should have? We should have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is the condition required. So let us solve here. Okay, so therefore, so value of b, what is value of b? K. So k square minus 4ac, a into c. So bracket 4 into a is 2 and c is 3 is equal to 0. So therefore k square, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore k square, take minus 24 that side, plus 24. Taking square roots on both the sides. Okay. So therefore, when is equal to plus or minus, okay, 24. How will you write 24? 4 6 are square root we want. So 4 6 are. So therefore, k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay. So answer. The required values of k are 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. Hope you have understood this question. Let us see now word problem. Before this I said question number 2, but it is you cannot say it is a word problem. You have to find the value of k. This is a purely word problem based on nature of root. Exercise 4.4, third question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Okay, so let us see how to do with the help of nature of roots. Okay, let us see. Okay, let the breadth is equal to x meter. Okay, breadth be x meter. Breadth is, length is compared with breadth, where it is length is twice its breadth. Therefore, so what is length? So length is twice 2x meters. Okay. Now, according to question, area is 800. According to question, length multiplied by breadth is equal to area. Okay. So what is length? Length is 2x and breadth is x. Area is 800. So simplify this. So what you are going to get? So we are going to get 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. You can also write by supplying the missing term. What is missing here? Bx term is missing. So I am comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. So you can also write 2x square plus 0x minus 800 is equal to 0. So here, what is the value of a? Is a, or you can further divide this. Okay, sorry for this. We can divide it. So on dividing by 2, what we are going to get? We are going to get x square plus 0x minus 400 is equal to 0. Okay, so here a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 400. Okay, so therefore b square minus 4ac. So b is 0. So 0 square minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is also minus 400. We use here big bracket. Okay, so minus into minus plus 4 4 the 16. So we are getting here 1600. So which is greater. So therefore b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So yes, yes. So you can say yes, it is possible. It is possible to design a rectangular. It is possible to design a rectangular mango grove. A rectangular mango grove as per given data. Okay? Yes. अभी आगे इसके आपको breadth निकालना है, x निकालना है. So we will use now here quadratic formula. Okay? Let us see. Now, by using quadratic formula, क्या मिलेगा? X is equal to minus b under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. So minus, what is value of b? B is 0, so it doesn't make any sense. So plus or minus, and what is value of b square minus 4ac? So it is 1600 whole upon 2 into a. What is value of a? A is 1. So minus, so 0 will remove it, plus or minus. Now what is square root of 1600? It is 40. Okay, it is 40 divided by 2 plus or minus. So what are the possibilities? X is 40 upon 2 and x is minus 40 upon 2. So therefore x is 20. Okay, another x is minus 20. X is minus 20 is invalid because breadth, we have considered x as a breadth, and breadth can never be negative, length can never be negative. So this is invalid. Okay, so what is valid? X is equal to 20 is valid. Then what is the final question they have asked? Find its length and breadth. Okay, so answer length. What is length? Length is 2x. So 2 into 40. So it is 40 meters. And breadth. Okay, breadth is 20 meters. Okay, hope you have understood this word problem. Let us see one more word problem based on ages. Okay, exercise 4.4, question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, 4 साल पहले, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay, तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? So let the age बोलो या present age बोलो. Okay, let the present age of one friend is equal to x years. दूसरे का एज क्या होगा? दोनों का टोटल है 20, दूसरे का होगा 20 minus x. Okay, 20 minus x. Okay, now their ages 4 years ago कितना होगा? One friend. ओके, अभी x से 50 साल पहले कितना होगा? x minus 4. other friend उसका कितना होगा? 20 minus x minus 4. ओके, 20 minus x minus 4. So 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x years. Now it is given 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. Now according to question, product of their ages, so x minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. Solve this. So x into 16 minus x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. So therefore 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. So we will arrange it from ax square plus bx plus c. So minus x square plus 16x plus 4x. Okay, then minus 64, take 48 this side, minus 48 is equal to 0. We don't want, okay, first simplify. So minus x square, 16 plus 4, 20x. Then, sorry, both minus 64 minus 48. What is the root of both? Add 4 plus 8, 12. 2, carry 1. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So minus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, so we don't want our first term negative, so convert it to positive. So all signs will change. X square minus will become plus, plus will become minus 20x, and minus will become plus 112 is equal to 0. Okay, so now you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is 1, b is minus 20 and c is 112. So find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now b square minus 4ac. So b is minus 20 whole square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into 112. So square of any negative number is positive, minus. Okay, this 448, 4 2s are 8. So 448. So 400 minus 48 minus 448 is minus 48, which is less than 0. So therefore b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So is the following situation possible? They are asking. No. Okay, the data given, according to the data we are getting, b square minus 4ac is a less than 0, and it tells that this situation is not possible. So here the given situation is not possible. Okay, here the given situation is not possible. तो यहाँ एजेस निकालना मुश्किल है. ओके, सो आगे सॉल्व करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. जब बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज लेस देन 0, we have to give it up. We cannot solve further. So here, now fifth question I am leaving up to you. Okay, I am leaving up to you, and I end here. This is our fourth lesson. Okay, I declare here our fourth lesson is over. So I appeal to all the viewers that you can subscribe my channel. You can give your comments, or you can post your comments. I will say subscribe it. Thank you very much.